Hi Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading. The bonus reading for the month of March 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support, Virgo, by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Virgo, so let's look at into the channel messages for you and your person for your bonus reading for the month of March 2021. Also Virgo, please note that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you Virgo, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, please don't forget to hit the like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Alright Virgo, so let's look at into your person energy coming up here. Okay Virgo, so on this side here is your energy and then on this side here is your person energy, but again due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Looking at the sign that I've got for you here Virgo, I'm getting a very strong air energy, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. And then I'm also getting like a very strong water energy coming up here as well, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now looking at your energy here Virgo, I've got the Five of Wands, the Judgment and then the Lovers energy coming up here. So it's definitely quite interesting, I would say here, that we have this Lovers energy coming up here. So for those of you who are kind of like doubtful if this person your true divine counterpart, if there is like any strong soul connection between you and your person, with this Lovers energy coming up here, do not ever doubt that both of you are definitely meant to be together. Both of you are each other's divine counterpart is what I'm getting coming up strongly here Virgo. Now this is also what I mean here with this Five of Wands energy. I'm getting like a very strong conflict within yourself here Virgo coming up quite strongly. So I feel like some of you here, honestly I'm getting like a very strong doubtful energy coming up for you here Virgo. So I feel like some of you here have been quite doubtful about this whole situation. I would say here that you're kind of like feeling doubtful if this person is someone that you're supposedly to be with. I would say here it kind of like, especially with this long waiting period, or especially like with this no communication energy between both of you here Virgo. Of course, this particular doubt and this particular fear is quite normal to have within yourself, especially with this upcoming full moon energy coming up here as well. But what I'm getting here is that with this conflict energy, you are kind of like not sure within yourself is what I'm getting coming up here Virgo. You're kind of like questioning everything that's currently going on surrounding you here. And I'm also getting like a very strong overthinking energy coming up here as well with this Four of Cups energy, a very strong overthinking energy. And not only the overthinking energy here, this is also talking about over worrying and fear, as well as assumption and doubt within yourself is kind of like keep on building up day by day, I would say here. And it's also quite interesting because I've got the Empress energy coming up here twice as well. Now I've also got the Three of Swords energy coming up here. This is basically talking about the heartbroken energy, feeling sad energy here. So like I said, I definitely do understand where you are coming from here with all of this sadness, with all of this heartbroken energy within yourself, I would say here Virgo. But one thing that you need to pay attention to here is that with this Judgment energy coming up here, this is basically talking about a very strong divine intervention energy coming up here, divine intervention and divine timing energy. So the thing here is that Virgo, this reading is definitely a confirmation, I would say here, because yes, there is a very strong soul connection between both of you. There is no doubt on this particular soul connection between both of you. At the same time here, you also need to make peace with all of this conflict energy, with all of this heartbroken energy, as well as the overthinking energy within yourself here, because the moment that you make peace with all of those energies, finally the moment that they're going to be integrating with your higher self here, being the divine feminine or the divine masculine that you're supposed to be. And then let's look at into your person energy coming up here. Once again, I've got the Empress, the Earth Mother energy coming up here, the Seven of Swords, and then the Six of Cups energy coming up here. So with this with this Earth Mother energy or the Empress energy here, what I'm getting coming up from your person here, Virgo, is that they're actually putting you in such a high pedestal. So even though both of you are not in communication at this point of time, or the communication between both of you is kind of like currently stuck, like a very strong communication blockage, just like feeling stuck, temporary pause, like a huge standing still energy between both you and your person here, Virgo. Even though that is what the current condition between both of you, with this Empress energy, what I'm getting coming up strongly here is that they are still thinking about you, and they're still, like missing you, I would say here. They're still dreaming about you, they're still thinking about you here, and they're actually like still like reminiscing everything about you, I would say here, Virgo. Almost like manifesting you back into their life. Now, they might not know about the law of attraction energy or manifestation energy and all of those stuff, but they're actually wanting to manifest you back into their life here. And that is the reason why they are putting you in such a high pedestal, I would say here, Virgo. And the only blockage at this point of time that I'm getting coming up from your person here is that with this Seven of Swords energy here, there is still feeling of not enough energy is coming up strongly from your person. So it's like they themselves are thinking at this point of time here that they do not deserve to have you back into their life. And the reason why they have this do not deserving energy, maybe because they're still like little bit of guilty, at least like feeling guilty about all of these things that they've done towards you in the past. So a lot of like self-guilty and self-blaming energy is also what I'm picking up coming up strongly from your person here. So even though that they're actually manifesting you back into their life here, Virgo, at the same time here, they also like feel they do not deserve you to have, they do not deserve you in their life here, because like I said, they're putting you in such a high pedestal and manifesting you back into their life. So when they're putting you in such a high pedestal here, they always like think highly about you. They kind of like I said here, they are definitely putting you in that Empress energy or that Emperor energy here. Again, the gender does not matter, male or female. I've also got the Six of Cups energy coming up here. So again, this is another confirmation, I would say, here coming up between both of you, the Lovers and the Six of Cups energy coming up here. The Six of Cups energy is basically talking about the reunion or the reconciliation that is going to happen between both of you. And the Lovers energy is basically talking about the soul connection coming up strongly between both of you here, Virgo. I've also got the Three of Pentacles energy coming up here as well. And look at this Knight of Pentacles energy. So yes, they're definitely going to come towards you here. The thing here is that the only thing that they need to make peace with here is that making peace with all of this insecurity energy, the consciousness of like within themselves. So this is the only thing that is currently blocking or delaying the connection, I would say here, as well as delaying them to come towards you. I've also got the Three of Pentacles energy coming up here as well, Virgo. So this is basically talking about opening up the line of communication between both of you. I've also got I see my future with you. And then I've got faithful energy coming up here as the channel messages. So even though there is a separation between both of you at this point of time, they're still being faithful towards you here, Virgo, and they're still wanting to manifest you into their life here because they see the future with you is what I'm getting coming up quite strongly here. So that's it for your March bonus reading, March 2021 bonus reading here, Virgo. I hope the reading resonates with you. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye-bye.